I just got my first beehive delivery. Okay, so super exciting time. It is basically a flat pack and I have to assemble the entire thing myself. That was particularly complicated, although I was never good at putting IKEA furniture together, so I gather I'm going to have a lot more trouble with this one. I am hoping to get this thing constructed, if not tonight, over the next couple of nights or maybe even the weekend. Okay, so this hive cost me about $130. Cheap and nasty from China. So quality of the wood and the handling, clearly not that great. Bit of damage, as to be expected. Bit of split. But you get what you pay for. Okay, so thus far I've been lucky enough that all my joints, my dovetails fit together, which is good. Took a little bit of squeezing, but I was really worried that the measurements wouldn't stack up. The carpentry would be horrible, given that it's a really cheap box. But that is my first honey super. Well, any super. It's going to be a brood box. And that is my first frame, bearing in mind that none of this is nailed together yet. So, whoop. Essentially, the frame will fit in there like that, along with 8 other frames, and my bees will live long and prosper. And so for those of you who are cluey enough to realise, I actually put the handle on the wrong way. So that's the way it's supposed to go. 2 boxes done. Okay, so now I'm supposed to nail in the dovetails. Nail goes there, hammer goes onto nail, wood hopefully does not split. So we've almost finished building the frames. Let me just say that nails are not good for this project. A lot of splitting. However, nails are what came with it, so I figured for the sake of doing it the way they specified, I would try using the nails. But as you can see, we've got splits. So I've tried gluing that as best I can. Kind of butchered it. And notice this hive came with 2 entrances. So now the back of my baseboard has an entrance, and so does the front. Okay, so that is the finished hive. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, but that's because the wife helped me, which I'm very much appreciative of. Biggest trouble I had was with the baseboard. The wood was splitting. It was just off center. Some of the flushings just weren't flush. And basically it was a bit of a handful. It's also hard to nail through. The roof came pre-assembled, which I was particularly happy about. And so now I've got 2 supers full of empty frames, all of which have little holes so I can put my fishing line through them if I wish, or I might put some of the wax foundation that I purchased on there for me. So that's it. Baseboard, yeah, really unhappy with splitting wood. 2 entrances, one that I'm going to have to bog up, probably, although I'll see how it goes beforehand. However, everything fits. So now all I need is bees and